The basis of all great success. Infinite imagination, strong belief, and effort. With this in mind, Yamasa began its efforts in 1958, discovered roller burnishing 27 years later, and originated Microlab with its multiple advantages. Yamasa, which exports 70% of its total production to more than 30 countries, became a global brand through innovation, quality, technology, and human resources. It supplies a standard quality continuously through quality control checks conducted in their own laboratories. The company, conducting its R&D studies with its expert technical staff, is a leader of technology in its sector. It furnishes services to almost every field in the industry through its wide product range, creative and economic solutions. Yamasa, having the vision of being the leader in the roller burnishing tool manufacturing in Europe, the Middle East, and the Far East, is successful because of the ethics and of the values of its employees and its customers. Roller burnishing does not remove sawdust. It obtains surfaces as shiny as a mirror, strengthens and hardens surfaces by smoothing the roughnesses of those surfaces. At the same time, the desired size can be obtained easily and quickly by its calibration feature. By this technique, workpieces hardened up to a maximum of 45 Rockwell can be burnished. Roller burnishing, contrary to grinding, honing, and lapping, is a surface processing technique which is very quick, practical, and low cost. It doesn't need extra machine investment. After roller burnishing, surface roughnesses can be obtained below 1 micron, and fatigue life is improved by as much as 300% or better. Yamasa DX model tools are used for roller burnishing the inside surfaces of cylinders through blind holes. DX model tools are being manufactured between the diameters of 4 and 450 millimeters. Tools can be adjusted between a maximum of 1 millimeter to as small as 2.5 micron. They can be used with drilling, universal, or CNC lathe, machining centers, milling, and similar machines. MX model tools burnish external surfaces of cylinders, planes, and stepped shafts. These tools are being manufactured between the diameters of 3 and 110 millimeters. They can be used with CNC or universal lathe, machining centers, milling, drilling, and similar machines. SX series tools can burnish cylindrical external surfaces, external tapers, and flat surfaces. With the same tool, different diameters can be machined. With SX tools, it is possible to burnish diameters from 10 millimeters to 2,000 millimeters. The roller burnishing force can be adjusted. By this means, high-quality surfaces and standard roughness values can be obtained. Shanks can be relocated by disassembly. In this way, the same tool can machine both cylindrical external surfaces and flat surfaces. Tools can be used with CNC or universal lathe machines. Yamasa K-Series tools are designed especially according to the requirement for roller burnishing of internal and external tapers and flat surfaces. Roller burnishing force can be adjusted by a special spring system existing in the tools. This also constitutes a safety distance, preventing hop-on overload to the machine and to the workpiece. Thus, standard and perfect surface quality are supplied. K-Series tools can be used with CNC or universal lathe, machining centers, milling, drilling, and similar machines. Skive burnishing tools have been improved to obtain high quality on the inside of tubes as quickly as possible. This system is a tube process method which has the lowest cost by serial production. With these tools, it is possible to process tubes up to 9 meters, like hydraulic cylinders, pneumatic cylinders, and telescopic cylinders. This process, while supplying precision size and low surface roughness, also increases the hardness of the surface. Thereby, considering the honed cylinder, smoother surfaces and higher strength cylinders can be produced. These tools can be used with skive burnishing or special deep hole drilling machines. RX model tools roller burnish cylindrical surfaces with connecting radiuses, spherical, tapered, and flat surfaces. These tools are used with universal lathe machines with copy systems and CNC lathe machines. UX model tools burnish axial 2 holes at the same time. They are used to supply precision size and surface quality by protecting axial holes having the same or different diameters. Yamasa MXM model machines are used to roller burnish cylindrical, plane, and stepped shafts. These machines make tolerance settings and feeding automatically. After taking the workpiece and finishing the burnishing operation, it ejects the workpiece. Besides manual loading, it can be integrated into a production line for serial production. MXM machines can burnish every diameter between 3 and 40 millimeters by changing the roller heads. With these machines, it is possible to burnish various kinds of workpieces quickly, like shock absorber shafts, pneumatic cylinder shafts, rods, piston rods, motor shafts, and pump shafts. Brighten your future. Yamasa.